In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called I'll Tell Me Ma. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 1, which is down, down, up. Since the chords of the verse and the chorus are the same in this song, we only need to play the chords of the chorus slowly together, as the same chords will apply when playing the verse. I'll call out the chords as we play along together. The chorus begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll D, 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 A, D, 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 A, D, 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 G, G, D, D, A, D, D, G, G, D, A, D, D. This time, we will sing the song a little quicker together. And remember to play one extra down strum when playing the final chord. So let's begin after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell me ma when I go home. The boys won't leave their girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a When she gets a lad of her own, she won't tell her ma when she gets home. Let them all come as they will, for it's Albert Mooney she loves still. I'll tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave their girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she? Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave their girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she? Albert Mooney says he loves her. All the boys are fighting for her. They knock at the door, they ring at the bell, saying, oh my true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow, rings on her fingers, bells on her toes. Old Johnny Murray says she'll die if she doesn't get the fella with the roving eye. I'll tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave their girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she? Let the wind and the rain and the hail blow high, and snow come tumbling from the sky. She's as nice as apple pie, she'll get her own lad by and by. When she gets a lad of her own, she won't tell her ma when she gets home. Let them all come as they will, for it's Albert Mooney she loves still. I'll tell me ma when I go home, the boys won't leave their girls alone. They pulled my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3. Please will you tell me who is she? Here is a useful tip to help your strumming sound a little nicer. Let's use the chord G and strumming pattern 1, which is down, down, up, as an example. So far, when playing the chord G, we strummed all of the strings. You may find that this sounds quite loud, so to make the strumming pattern sound a little nicer, only tap or strum the top 1 or 2 strings. for the first down movement. Let's try putting this into practice together after 2. 1, 2. Tap, down, up. And again after 2. 1, 2. Tap, down, up. Finally, let's play 4 G chords using this technique starting after 2. 1, 2. Tap,